Wine to the bass, nah, nah. Be that thing where I go, feel be late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah.
Guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is a video on styling your lace frontal, and it is also a makeup tutorial. I know it's been a long time since I've done some makeup on here, so I definitely wanted to do some today. So this is a frontal lace wig that I did make using a 20-inch frontal from Dsoar Hair. It's Peruvian natural wave, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way the waves fall. I love the way the frontal is made. I did not have to pluck anything. I did not have to do anything but bleach the knots. So this is what the wig looks like. What I did was, like I said, I bleached the knots, and then I went ahead and styled the frontal. So I parted it down the middle, and then I parted it along the back and on the sides. I added some mousse, and I just applied two ponytails to create this ponytail style, this pigtail style in the frontal. So the mousse that I use is my favorite mousse. It's by Indie Hair. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase this mousse. And yeah, I just made sure to pull some baby hairs out of the ponytail so that I would have something to work with. Now when I did my ponytail, it actually was not in the center. So I had to take that ponytail out, repart that middle part, and make sure that middle part was in the center. So just be careful of that when you're parting your wigs and your lace frontals, that you're actually parting it in the center. And if you have one of these block heads, it is easy to find the center because there is a seam directly in the center of the wig. So all you have to do is just follow that. I also wanted to redo the ponytails because I wanted the ponytails further in the back. So you'll see when I did these ponytails, I literally placed the ponytail literally right at the part in the back and made sure that the ponytails were very, very far in the back. I like that look better. So I am very happy with the way the ponytail came out. I think the mousse was a great idea for this. And yeah, so I just did another ponytail on the other side, and that's pretty much the end of the style. I'm gonna be quiet so you guys can keep watching, and then I'll come back for the makeup part. So to apply my wig, I didn't use any, lace frontal glue or anything like that. I knew I wasn't going to be wearing the wig long. So to hold down my wig, I basically just used some Got To Be gel on my edges. And yeah, when I want a temporary hold, I just use Got To Be on my baby hairs, and that holds my entire wig down. And then I just used my Glee Made baby hair and lace wig setting headscarf. This scarf is perfect to lay your baby hairs and to hold your wigs down while they dry. These are on sale on gleemade.com for $8 right now, and you can use the coupon code Dragoness to save you even more money on gleemade.com. I went ahead and added a little bit of powder to blend. I know it's not perfectly blended. You can still see that line of demarcation. I should have washed my lace front before I did this, and you wouldn't see that line, but I was being lazy. So guess what? Y'all just gonna get what y'all gonna get today, and that's the look. I love this wig. It's 22 inches in 24-inch bundles and a 20-inch frontal from Dsoar Hair. I absolutely love it. For all details, it will be in the information bar down below, and to order this hair, it'll be there as well. Love you guys so much. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.